So today's the day that we're going to take the Acura CL out for its 100,000 mile drive. It's hard to believe that this car doesn't even have 200,000 or 100,000 miles on it, let alone 200,000 miles on it. You can see here that it's looking pretty clean, but it's been sitting for a little while in the garage because we haven't had great weather up here. So we're going to give it a wash, and then we're going to take it out for a spin, and then hit that 100,000 mile mark. So let's get started. So we're about to take the CL for its 100,000 mile trip. We are at 99944. And today we're going to go for a lovely drive and put it over 100,000 miles. Still looks pretty good for 100,000 miles. All original. Some repairs, but mostly all original. So the CL just hit 100,000 miles, and we are on Route 100 in Waterbury. Had to pull off to the side here, take a picture of the spectacular landscape, the background setting. And there we are. Okay, finally hit 100,000 miles right there.